Hey, precious Kimberly Cloud. This is Iris with honoringevents.com, and I am going to use my simple format to do an honoring tribute for you because you absolutely deserve it. I'm excited to share how simple this process can be and honor you. What I admire most about you is your willingness to be of service and your kindness. You absolutely exude your kindness and your good social skills because you listen and you do it very well. Your inner qualities that I honor most are your generosity and your willingness to honor other people and honor the unsung heroes among us. Your inner qualities I also really honor and appreciate are your generosity and your love of service and your love of transformation. And I also honor your love of storytelling. What I will always remember about you are the great questions that you ask and the way that you absolutely listen, really listen to people. And your ability to draw out the best in other people is beautiful to me. I can really appreciate how much you appreciate honoring people who are underappreciated and unsung heroes. There are so many unsung heroes amongst us. And so you get to be praised and honored and sung. I'm singing your praises, girlfriend, because it matters to me. You matter to me. You matter to so many different people. I appreciate you bringing their stories to all of us. I honor you because you're also aware of our biggest challenges, like how we're losing our social skills. Yes, please, and no thank you are not necessarily a part of everyone's vocabulary. And you totally understand how honoring other people is important and how it brings social skills to the forefront. That matters a lot to me as well. I see you as a person who is committed to building relationships and peacemaking, because honoring and storytelling are both time-honored peacemaking traditions. I believe that you understand how positive forms of play, like my honoring programs, how it leads to friendship, how friendship leads to trust, and how trust leads to peace and harmony. And I really honor that about you. I feel that in all of your programs that you exude trust and people trust you with their stories and with their time and their energy, and you absolutely deserve it. I trust your future is bright because what you value most is transformation and service and unity and authenticity. You come across as such an authentically real person, and that's why you bring it out in other people so well. I know that's true. I trust your future is bright because what you value most is being kind, being generous, and doing the next right thing, and being part of the solution. You're an amazing evolving genius because you are guided by the wisdom that you possess and your humanitarian heart. You absolutely love humanity. You love it globally. You totally understand the think globally and act locally. That's an important part of you. And now you can reach everybody. It's a beautiful thing. You help us all evolve in meaningful social ways by being of service, bringing us together, allowing people to comment, allowing people to access all of your shows whenever it works for them. It's a fabulous form of service. I trust you will continue to develop your social skills, your listening skills, and all the different forms of service. And I also trust that you will help us evolve in meaningful social ways by helping people, by honoring them and bringing better social skills. Demonstrating social skills is a lot different than talking about them. And you're very good at demonstrating good social skills. I truly honor you for that. It truly matters to me, and I think to all of your guests. We're so grateful to you for that. What I find so very interesting about you is all of these things and so many more. I feel a sense of compassion with you. Your sense of unity is obvious, and you totally get the love is in little things and the joy of being of service. We honor you for the example you set for all creation. We absolutely do. And if I was going to pick an honoring nickname for you, it's the visionary voice, because you are the humble visionary voice of so many unsung, underappreciated heroes who have wonderful stories of transformation and empowerment that you share. An honoring award for you, which I have selected in closing, is the Illustrious Instigator Award. And I sent one of those to you in the mail because it's always fun to get an award in the mail. Looks like this. Very pretty. Illustrious Instigator Award to you, my dear. You are hereby honored this prestigious award as you are fully, completely, and absolutely adored. Your illustrious presence is truly immense and without pretense. We encourage, and you instigate all that is good, loving, and true. You are clearly everything you value. Your glowing nobility instigates righteous opportunity. Your humility astounds as our honoring resounds. You are graciously and brilliantly astute, inspiring this illustrious tribute. You deserve it. I honor you. I sincerely do. I believe that all of your people do. Thank you so much for offering such a valuable service.